Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. After take support from near 11,000, Nifty closed above 11,150. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is, if it sustain above 11,250 to 300, it will try for 11,500 to 700 zone. Otherwise, if Nifty breaks and sustain below 11,000 on closing basis, then it will try to range bound in between 10,800 to 11,250. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally Nifty takes support on near 11,000 and closed above 11,150. So as per chart formation, Nifty likely take range bound move in between 11,000 to 11,250 if it not breaks 11,000. Otherwise, it will increases its range bound zone in between 10,800 to 11,250, or if Nifty sustain above 11,250 to 300, it will try for uptrend again. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near its reversal support zone, that 21,200. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 21,200 to 500, then it's likely try for 22,000 plus zone again. Else, if it slips below 21,000, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 20,500 to 21,000 and reverse from that strong support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty takes support near 21,000, which is strong reversal support. So as per chart formation, if it's likely reverse from this zone, then there have some resistance for Bank Nifty. That's our 21,200, 21,500, 21,800 and 22,000. Otherwise, if it breaks 21,000 again, it will reverse from 20,500 to 800 zone once. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's our for Nifty future. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 11,489. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 11,265 and 11,345. There have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 10,789. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 11,089 and 10,965. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 21,926. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 21,452 and 21,682. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 20,600. To achieve this support, there have two more reversal supports, that's are 21,000 and 20,750. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range with midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above midpoint with and increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Emami Limited, that LTP is 364, upper range is 390 and lower range is 355, and midpoint is 365. That my typing mistake. If it increases volume above its midpoint, that 365, then 390 is its upper range or upper resistance. Same as if it increases volume with below its midpoint, that 365, then 355 is its lower reversal support. So you can note down every stock's range with midpoint. Red and star mark, red star mark stocks are more important for today's intraday. Emami Limited, that LTP is 364. Coromandel, that LTP is 800. Dalmia Bharat, that LTP is 762. Oberoi Realty, that LTP is 418. Adani Gas, that LTP is 188. Ipca Lab, that LTP is 2,113. Torrent Pharma, that LTP is 2,726. Godrej Industry, that LTP is 401. Bharat Forge, that LTP is 452. HDFC Life, that LTP is 579. You can note down every stock's LTP with midpoint and range also. You can mail me on my mail ID, or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given